Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do just something that I just now quickly decided to do. I want to show you something that I do with these vegetables that I got at Publix the other day. And it's zucchini, yellow squash, pepper, and onions. And I just want to show you how I fix them. Trying to eat healthier. And so that's going to be my side dish. Nobody else will really eat this but me. But what I do is I have me a pan right here. And I just use a small pan. And put a little bit of some olive oil in the bottom of it. And these are so handy if you can find them already cut up, because then it's just so easy. And I'm not going to be on the video because I'm a little under the weather. I've got a double ear infection and it's kind of caused my ear and under my ear down my neck to swell, so trying to avoid being on camera. So just going to be my voice. So here I got that in there. And then I'm just going to sprinkle all these on there. And I'm going to drizzle just a little bit more. Well, take the lid off, it does wonders. Whoops, that came out kind of quicker. Just give that a little pour. I don't measure a single thing for this. I just kind of shake them around. And then I just use seasoned salt. Sprinkle some of that on there. And I usually give it a pretty good sprinkle. And I've got my oven. Let me just show you. Heating up to 350. And honestly, I don't really know how long I put these in. I just keep watching them and keep looking at them. So as soon as the oven heats up, I'm going to put these in the oven, and when they're done, I will show y'all what they look like when they're done. Just let it cook until they get all nice and tender. And we'll be back in a little bit, so hang on. Alright, this is how the vegetables look when I'm done. I put them in the oven, 350, for about 45 minutes. I just eyeball it because I like them nice and softened. And so that's how they look when they're all finished. I use a slotted spoon to stir it up. And I'm going to serve it with this boxed mix that I made. Pad Thai Noodle Kit. And this is what this is here with chicken. And I've sprinkled some peanuts on it. And yeah, I know this is like Thai food and that is like not, but I love this stuff, so I'm making this mostly for my husband, but I will eat a little bit of it. But so that's what's for dinner tonight. And it's a real quick video, kind of decided last minute to do it. And I just kind of tore up my kitchen doing this boxed mix. Or at least I feel like I tore up my kitchen. Stuff everywhere. Rolls over there I forgot about. But, so yeah, this is what's for dinner. And I want to thank y'all for watching. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would subscribe. And now we're going to get to eating. Y'all have a good rest of your evening, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.